Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering blueprints and parts. This gets you straight into the build. Once you have the Seamoth upgrade console blueprint, make sure to craft a wiring kit and computer chip immediately and collect 2 titanium. You'll need a mobile vehicle bay placed on flat seabed or the Cyclops vehicle bay nearby. While you prep parts, inventory space matters, so drop or store extras. This first setup reduces back and forth and lets you install the color module without interruptions. Once the Seamoth is docked, access its upgrade console. You'll see the cosmetic or color module slot, select it. You insert the crafted color module and then make sure power is sufficient and connectors align. If you're using a mobile vehicle bay, verify it's powered. If in the Cyclops, check internal power distribution. After insertion, allow the game to process the asset. The hull should update. If colors don't apply immediately, undock and redock the Seamoth to force the refresh. To finalize, undock and redock the Seamoth so the game fully renders the new paint. You'll see the change immediately. Make sure you use the correct blueprint and module for your game version, because mismatches prevent color application. If the texture fails to appear, try reloading your save or moving the vehicle to a different bay. These actions force the renderer to update. If problems persist, confirm no conflicting mods are active, and then retry installation after restarting the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.